Take command of the road in the 2014 Ford Explorer. With just over 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Ford are offered, including power front seats, front and rear air conditioning, heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.